Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to make the compounds in Icarus. First of all, open the tech tree tier 5 and right beside the synthetics, plastics and after the polymerizer you'll see the compounds. Click on them to unlock them. Now all you need to do is have some kind of a oil storage and an oil production machine. In my case, I have the organic extractor, which makes some biofuel from organics, which is then transferred into the natural oil refiner using the biofuel pipes. And here it is transformed into refined oil, which is then stored in an oil barrel. I've already stored some refined oil in an oil can, which I've placed in the polymerizer. And now I can craft some compounds using the stored oil. And as you can see, I got the compounds. So this is gonna be all. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.